Tim and the Garden Treasure. Tim loved playing in his grandmother's garden. The garden was full of colorful flowers, buzzing bees, and butterflies fluttering around. One day, while digging in the soil to plant some new seeds, Tim's shovel hit something hard. Curious, he brushed away the dirt and found a rusty old key. Excited, he rushed to his grandmother and asked, "Grandma, do you know what this key opens?" She smiled and said, "Ah, that's the key to a special chest hidden under the big oak tree. Your grandfather put it there a long time ago." Tim's eyes sparkled with excitement. He ran to the old oak tree, where he dug carefully and found a small, wooden chest. Inside were some photographs, an old compass, and a letter from his grandfather. The letter talked about how nature is precious and encouraged him to always be kind to animals and plants. Tim felt proud to be part of his family's legacy. He carefully placed everything back in the chest and buried it for someone else to find one day. From then on, Tim took extra care of the garden, feeling like he was carrying on his grandfather's love for nature.